Hello to my new projects. My name is Tanbong Saska. My major is D40MD ITP batch H. My topic is my video tutorial how to use an explanation about Notepad in Java programming. Now let me to show my project. It is my project that I make in Nebin. It's Notepad. In here, this area we call text. We call text area show. And in my code we also have three main menus. We have file, edit, and have. In file we have five sub menu bar. We have new, open, save, save as, and exit. And in edit we have only one sub menu is color, and also in have we also have only one sub menu is about the pen. In my project I will to show you the running code, the code and the running at the same time. So now I will to explain you the first is the file menu, and then new event action and action perform. And the news menu in here, this code we have to show you that if your text area show don't have some text in here, we will go to a new file automatically and we will load the text in here, a new file. Okay, let me to running the code. If my text area don't have something and I choose file and I choose new, we go to a new file that have some electric in here is a new file. And then if you want to have something file in here, we also can do. We just only change in the code to in this mistake to null. So when you run in the code and you choose file new, the new file will be to null when you change this. Okay, and then L, it means that your text area show don't have your text area show have some text in here. We will load the mistake that we ask you, do you want to save change to untitled? If the mistake in the mistake we also have three option button. We have yes, no, and consent, but consent no need to write in the code. We just write only yes and no. If you choose yes option, it means that your file name will link go to the set as menu. Okay, let me just explain you in the set as menu, in the menu bar. In here, if you choose yes option, we will link to the set as menu bar. And in here, this line is for the calling set as dialog, and this line for serving set as dialog. When we show as serving set as dialog already, we will let you to complete the file name. That we must to defining the attention etc. You no need to write the attention etc. And then when you complete the file name already, your file name your file will be to upload in the drive that you want to defining ready for the flash, and then we will close the drive. Okay, it's just only for the yes option. Okay, let me to show you running code. If I have something in here, IDP, and then I choose file new, I choose yes, again, I choose IDP, file, new, and then I choose yes. We will load the set as dialog and let you to complete the file name. In here, I complete the file name is new file, and then I save as. And then my file name will be saved in the place that I want to define in the place. Okay, and open to look my file name that will be have to save already or not. Yes, new file in here. Yes, new file will be to save already in here. And then is if I choose for just option button. If I choose for no option button, it means I go directly to a new file. No need to save as for the file to the old file. Okay, let me to run in the code. I like the same ITP, but I choose so new, but I choose no. And then we go to the new file, but don't have no need to save as the old file. Okay, it's just for no option. And then if you choose for consent ITP, but you choose you choose file new, but you not choose yes or no, you choose cancel. It means that you will be go to the previous file and no need something to change in here. Cancel. Yeah, go to the previous file, no need something to change. Okay, it is all for the new bar, but now I explain you then about the open. When action in action perform. In open, in here, if this line mean that your text area show don't have some text in here, we will calling the open dialog and showing the open dialog, and then let you to browse the file that you want or the file directory that you want to open. Okay, let me do so in running code. It my area is null, and then I choose open. We will load the open dialog and let me to browse the file that I want to open. In here I want to open the file is Notepad open, then I open. It is the new file that I browse to open when I choose yes. Okay, when the text area is null. Okay, and close, and then L element it means that the text so area have text in here. We will load a message that asks you that do you want to save change to untitled, and then we have choice 3 option button that let you to choose. We have yes, no, and cancel, but cancel no to write in this code. Yes, it means that we will load, we will ask you to set up the file first, and then we will load the set as dialog that I told you in the set as the menu. In here we will loading the set as dialog, and we let you to complete the file name and save your file name and then close. But in here we just only know not only for sale, and then when you save ready we will call in the open dialog and open the open dialog and let you to browse your file that you want to open. Okay, let me just show in the running code. It's simple. I have ITB open, and then I choose save file and open, and then I use for yes. Let me to set up first that I told you in the code. In here I write so as open file in Java, and then I save, and then we let continue to loading the open dialog to me to browse the file that I want to open. In here I want to open a new open, then I open. It's my new open file that I open already. I close, and then it's L is similar for in here also, but it just only focus for the set as when you set already we will open the dialog. Okay, it is just for only for the open that open submenu, and then I want to explain you then about the cell. So in here we have only 2 lines. In here you remember the cell, it mean we have to sell when you set already. We can save the file, and then your file maybe to not have something to delete when to give up when you do something like turn off your computer. And here if you save as, we will go to the save as dialog that I told you already, but the something is strange is like, okay, let me to show in running code. I have Haskell, and then I choose file, I choose save. We will let you to save as the file that I told you, save as. In here I choose save file in Java, and then I save. But when I open again for save, it is endable. Why? I will show you in the code. This code to defining that when the submenu is unable to change when your text change. It's true. It means that your text also have to change. So your submenu have to enable. If like that, if not like that, your submenu is disabled. Like in the code, when my text also don't have something to change, so the the cell is disable if have something to change like I say Haskell, IDB, it has text area, we have other text area, so have something to change. The cell as disable and I can save again. If for the cell, saving file, okay, and I can save again. Okay, and then I close and I explain you go on about the cell as. So as menu, I record event in the same way. In the menu, I want to explain you already at the previous time with new and so menu bar. So as the first one you want to save as, we will show the we will calling the save as dialog and showing the save as dialog, and then we let you to complete your file name, and then we have attention automatically at the end, and then we will add your file to a drive that you want to define the flash area and then enclose. Okay, let me to show you again. I write ITB D4 and then I choose file, I choose save as. We will let you to say other file that you want to save. In here I choose save as file in Java, and then I save as. If you want to know that your save as was chosen already, you can go to file and open for looking for your file that they have saved already or not. Save as in the Java, yeah, have to save already. But one more thing I want to show you for this case that in the code also we just only not only for set up, but you can also to replace your file name also. Okay, let me to show you in the code. Replace file name, and then I choose file, I choose as, but in here I'm not to write my name, I just only to browse the file and change the name, replace the name of file. I choose this file and I choose save. He asked me a new file has got it here already has it. You want to replace this replace this. If I choose yes, it means I replace the file. Okay, and open. Yes, the a new file of a new file has got it what to replace in this file. If I open, it's still the same, right? Okay, and then I close. Okay, I will let you explain you the last of the file menu is it. Is it in here? It means that if your text area show is null, we will to close automatically for your for your file. Okay, for your Notepad. Let me to run it in code. If the text area is null, when I choose for is it, we will close automatically. But it means that the text area show it's not null. It may have something in here. We will load the message that to ask you that do you want to save this file, and then when they have the message like that, we have also have the option that the first is just option. It means that when you choose it, it means that we will to loading the save as dialog and let you to save your file and they like in the save as well. Let me to show you. Here you have IDB default. I choose save, but I choose it. Will load the message that asks me, do you want to save the file? If I choose yes, it means we load the as dialog and let me to complete the file name. I complete is it file, and then I save. And then if I'm not choose the yes, I choose the no option. It means I don't want to save my file, and it's automatically. Okay, in here, IDB is it file, and then is it. If I should know, is it automatically, no need to something to change. Okay, now let me to explain you then about the second submenu. Is it did I have only one submenu, it is color. Okay, I explain in the code first. In this code, it have only two lines. The first line it means that you just only for the calling for the dialog color, and the second line is that you have to show in the color dialog. Okay, let me to show in the line code. If you want, yeah, go to edit, take color, and go to the purpose color, and okay. When you write the text, it will change to the purpose color. And or other, if you we have two way that you can edit in the text color. You can change when you don't write the letter, or you write the letter and you change. Okay, now I write the letter ready and I change to take color, and I change this color to orange. We change to the orange. I mean we have to wait to change. But you have to notice that in this case we can use only one color. We cannot to highlight or make this color in this case like in Microsoft Office or like other application. If I select this letter and I want to change the color to the blue, but we cannot change to the blue. If we change all. So in this area we can make this color. Okay, then I close. Then I explain you for the last of my project is have main menu. Then we have one sub menu is about the pen, and I choose event action and action perform. In here the first line it means that you just only to link this code, this button, this sub menu to a new file that had name about the pen. And then when we calling to link already, we will visible to load the about notepad. It's my notepad that I want to link with this project. Is my notepad interface that I made by myself to talk about my background. So now let me to run in the code. I choose have and about notepad. Yes, willing to a new file that I have to design it in here. Is my background. Okay, and then I said okay, here's all my explanation and use in the Notepad project in use in Java. Okay, thank you for your value pay attention. Okay, thank you so much.